Well, hello! Thanks for watching Break 3001. I am Bryce. This is my daughter Kira. And today we're going to open up a box that Kira got for her birthday from her grandma, Grandma Honey. You want to show them the box? There it is. This is the LEGO Friends Dolphin Rescue Mission. The set number is 41-37-8. And, what do you say we open it?
Yeah. Let me do it.
There we go.
Let me do it.
What do we got?
We got one set.
Bag number one.
Bag number three.
Bag number three.
And reach in and get bag number two. Bag number. Yeah,
And instructions.
Yep.
And I think you got stickers. Yep.
Yep. I got stickers.
Stickers.
And we got another one.
What is this one? There's two instructions.
Yeah. Make it out.
Just in case we lose the first instructions. And this must be bag number two.
Yep. I didn't know why. Bag number three came first.
Okay. Well, Kira, you're not going to be able to build this set.
What?
This is ages 6+, and you're only 5.
I'm 6.
Oh, you are 6. Oh, then we can open this. Just see if you're paying attention. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I didn't know what that said. I didn't know what that said.
That says ages 6. 6+. So this set is perfect for you.
Pro scissors.
Pro scissors, open bag one. Let's dump it right here. Okay.
Something right here?
Yeah, go ahead. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to open this up to page
Hey,
one. Oh, so look, we did this. So we've dumped it out and opening up the bags, and now we're going to build by using the instructions. Number one is a person.
I want to do the person.
Yep, put her together.
Can we do the two persons?
Yeah.
So maybe see her.
You want me to build one while you build the other one?
Yeah. Oh, la, 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 la. I'm even trying to get her ready.
Or you can put on
Her helmet. Yeah.
or helmet. A scuba helmet.
Yeah. This is mine. And this is what her helmet looks like.
Nice. Alright. Let's set them on the box.
Yep. So they can watch what we're doing.
That's right. With their cool helmets. There you go. Alright. So next. Oh, they have flippers. You're right. I heard you say that. But I didn't. Next. Number one. One little piece like that.
Can I find it?
Mm-hmm. There it is.
Yeah.
Alright. And now this is going to go on the top. Now this. How about this piece right?
Wait. Stop. Let me measure it. Too big.
Just right.
Yeah. I love you, Dada.
I love you too, Pumpkin Pie.
That.
Okay, and now you're going to take this.
Sing, and I know where I'm going to put it. I know where What is
There you go. Ta-da. And that spins now. Oh.
I'll get it.
Okay.
The
Alright.
fan.
Ooh, do you feel my lovely locks blowing in the wind?
Oh, la, la, la.
Alright. Now we got a sticker. We need this sticker right here.
Wait, stop.
You're gonna get it?
Wait, that's...
Oh, well, first let's put that
Number-
piece on. That piece has to go on there first.
Wait, what?
Okay, so that's right there.
We
And then
need
this
this one?
piece. Hold
We
on,
need
you
this
gotta
one?
put the piece on first. This one goes right there. Like that.
And so we need this sticker right here.
And that's gonna go right there.
Number 8 sticker.
Okay, there you go.
I'm trying to peel it off.
No, just push it down.
You're like,
Oh, the handlebars.
handlebar.
Yep.
Are we making a card?
There you go. Kind of. I think
Where's
it's like
it? Where's this go on? Oh, right here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the jet ski.
Kind of like a. I think it like goes underwater.
It looks like a jet ski.
Ooh, and it even has arms. Like,
John, so I can pick up seashells.
just like that.
And take the net.
And then that goes right there in the end. Ta-da! All right, and I think this is all done.
Wait, what? And now we're moving.
This piece. Now we got another.
So
It's that piece there.
it looks like a animal or something. I think we're missing a piece that goes here because I thought there was gonna be a seat right here and then a window.
Well, there's a whole. This is just a little extra piece. There's a whole submarine that we still get to build.
No.
Okay, so next we need that piece, and we need this blue piece. Where's the blue piece? Oh, I think that's probably what's in here when you open that. Nope, that's not what was in there. That is a treasure map, it looks like.
Maybe look over here. Oh, found it. It's
Oh.
over here.
How did it get over there?
I don't know. Maybe somebody put it over there?
Maybe
Oh, it was
somebody
me.
did. Oh, you did it?
Yeah, because I did it when you were over there.
Oh, okay, put that down.
There we go.
You got it. Wow, cramming on there. Okay.
Wait. What if we can put the glass in here?
Ooh.
Let's
Oh, the
see.
map goes in there though.
What? What's the map?
Our map right here. That one you took out of the box. Oh, and this shows that if you get this little map, if you get it, let me hold that for a second. If you get this little map wet, it shows up like a map on there.
Ooh, we'll do that later.
So it's like an invisible map. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that later in the video. I'll just put that in the box.
Okay, and I put that on there.
No, I'm like,
Yeah, you want to put
Glass?
that glass on something, don't you?
yeah. I don't know where the glass is.
All right, next
No,
page.
no.
Oh, it's a bottle. So
The cup is a bottle?
yeah, so this goes on the top of that bottle right there. Oh, and you were right; it does go in the box though. But
It will? Yeah, it is.
yeah, so then this goes on the top of the bottle.
Oh, I think we're gonna put the
The bottle in the box.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, I think we're gonna put the map.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be like the map
Yeah,
in
'cause
the
look.
bottle, huh?
Cause look, it shows a little tiny map.
Okay, now we get to build the actual submarine.
No, it's on this bag.
Yeah.
We don't have the pipe.
No, but we still finish this right here.
Oh, yeah,
Then
this
we'll move
is
your bag too. Yep. And we'll put this to the side. This is the little under the sea thingy. With the
Yeah,
map, with a treasure map.
I don't think it looks like a treasure map. Treasure, measure, bezel.
Alright.
Ooh, the measure.
Now we're going to start with this. So find this piece right here. There it is. Okay, and now you need 2 of these.
1, 2.
Mhm. And then you put them both on the ends of that.
That.
No, right at the very end. There you go. There you go. You got it. And that one goes next to it.
looks like it's saying.
It's going beside it.
Yeah, because I can see the arrows.
Yeah. Good job. Perfect. Wow, everything is a gun.
Yeah, everything looks like good.
A dolphin!
We have another
How do
bag.
dolphins go? What sound does a dolphin make? I don't know.
No, it goes. It goes.
Does it go like that?
Yeet, yeet. I don't think it makes a yeet sound. I think it makes this. I think it makes this sound. Oh, la, la, la.
Yeah, you better put it in the water so it doesn't drown
Yeah.
outside of the water. Okay.
That's not a water. That's
that's the front of the.
Let's wait. Let me put the big stuff to here.
Okay. Very professional. Don't cut your fingers, you're going right at your hand. There you go. Alright. Okay.
Oh, that's going off camera. No.
Alright. What is it? Oh my gosh. It looks like a shot.
It is. No, it's a dolphin gonna get shot. Two? Let me see this. Okay, we have this one. Alright. Let's go. I think we're missing something.
You think so?
Yeah, I think we're missing something. Because look at this piece right there. I don't know if we're supposed to put... Yeah, we're supposed to put the sticker. Get the sticker off. Here's our sticker chart. We use some of these up.
Okay.
We're going to take this one. Yep. We're going to take a number 4. Let's take this one. We're going to put it on straight as we can. Like that.
Okay.
That doesn't look straight. That's okay. We're going to roll with it. Okay.
You're
Then we're
gonna roll
going
with
to...
that.
Yep.
Okay.
It's backwards, but we're going to hang with it.
Okay.
I'm going to take this off. Do I rip it? Oh, no, we don't. I'll keep this...
Maybe try it from the bottom. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, that's straight than the other one.
Okay.
There they go. I see.
Then they go on top of the glass.
Okay. So they go like this.
Okay.
Putting the
And
crooked
then
one.
it goes on the other side.
There we go.
Cool. Next.
So now that we got the gracing on, oh my god, I'm super excited to put that on. It looks super cool. So I'm gonna put it on. Oh my god. Too excited. Oh my god. Oh no! I didn't do it. Oh no. Put that piece back on. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Okay, we are done. I'm super happy. So we got that on it when we made it on the step.
Can I get the bubble?
Yep, we got that bubble.
Cool.
I want to drop it so I'm holding it tight.
Okay, so we're all done. So we're finished building it. Kira got to play with it for a little bit. As you can see, we've kind of changed. It took a couple days to do for us. We started out, and then Kira kind of lost interest in it a little bit, so we kind of stopped and we started again, and we finished building, and she kind of lost interest again a little bit toward the end. So I basically ended up finishing up the boat myself. But she had fun doing it, I think, when we were doing it. And I think this set she's 6 years old, so I think this set for a 6-year-old maybe a little too advanced. But if you want to do it with her or with your 6-year-old, then it works out good. We had fun doing it. I got to show her what parts sometimes, but most of the time she was able to pick out the parts and she was able to put them on. But there's just sometimes she didn't know exactly where to put the part or something like that. So, but we helped her out with that, and we built the set. So what do you think?
I think it's lovely. My favorite part about it is the propellers on the boat.
Oh yeah?
Yep. And how this opens.
You like how the front opens up?
Yep.
Yeah.
And this part opens.
Yeah.
And I like the little balcony part. And this wheel can spin. And I like the treasure chest too, because there's diamonds in it.
Yeah, there's all kinds of jewels in there.
Mm-hmm. And you can slide it right in that little hiding area.
And then show them how you turn the wheel, and then it pops out here.
What wheel?
Turn the steering wheel. Remember? Okay, and then the treasure chest pops out.
Yep.
They can pull that shut with the hook here, and they got this little
grabbing thing.
Yeah, little
that I saw on the box. And the back of the box shows everything you can do with it.
Yeah, let's see.
That's what you can do with it.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this is this set. Yeah, I think overall it was a pretty cool set. I think the submarines are cool. Personally, I even kind of like the sunken ship part of it. I think is really cool. I gotta say and also it comes with this little map that if you can tell.
So what it does when you put it with water, it changes into a real map.
Yeah, because it's blank. It just looks like a brown piece of paper, like it's blank. But then when you get it wet, it shows you like a little map. So it's like a little secret map.
It shows you all the X's. And guess what I did today? Tried it out and I saw it. Mm-hmm. I was pretty amazed by it.
It was pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
I think it all holds together pretty well. She's been playing with it, and it's all still together. It's all still working just fine. When we did start this part of the video, I did have to put these back on because they had fallen off. But other than that, it all works out pretty well. It's all pretty sturdy.
Wait, I forgot one of my favorite parts. I have two favorites of this. Mm-hmm. I like how this opens and look. It even has a little shot in a bottle.
Oh, yeah, because it's like a dolphin rescue set, I think is what it's supposed to be.
Yep, I've been playing with this, so I technically know what this is supposed to be.
Oh, cool. Yeah, so these are the dolphins. They come out of there. So they can rescue the dolphins and put them in here.
I don't think you can put them. I think the baby one's supposed to go in there.
The baby?
The bottle.
Okay. Yeah, and then
because the baby's 10 years.
So then you have the shot and the bottle to feed the dolphin. One thing I did that I thought was kind of fun is I found a little light brick. And in this little spot here, I stuck the light brick in here and closed it up, and then so this kind of lit up. And so at night it looks pretty cool. Did you like that when we put the light brick in? Was that pretty neat?
Bye!
Thanks for helping me out with this one, and I hope you enjoyed your birthday present from Grandma. Yeah? Yeah,
Yep, I enjoyed it.
You want to tell Grandma anything because she's watching?
Yep. Thank you so much, Grandma, for this gift. I loved it so much that I enjoyed it building it. It was super much fun. I love you.
There you have it. Okay, we're all done. We'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Should we play?
Yep. I'm getting in.
Okay.
Get my baby.